Hi everyone, welcome to TourPack. If you're looking to capture every angle of your adventures in stunning detail, 2025 is the year of Insta360. These cameras continue to dominate the action and 360-degree camera scene with powerful upgrades. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, traveler, or just someone who loves immersive footage, these top 5 Insta360 cameras deliver unbeatable clarity, AI-powered stabilization, and mind-blowing creative features. From cinematic 8K shots to pocket-sized portability, there's something here for every storyteller. Let's dive in and help you pick the perfect Insta360 gear for your next epic adventure. Number 1. Insta360 Link. Say goodbye to boring video calls and hello to studio-quality visuals with the Insta360 Link. This 4K AI-powered webcam is built for professionals and creators. With its large 1/2-inch sensor, PTZ features, and advanced AI tracking, it keeps you perfectly framed at all times. Great for online presentations, streaming, or teaching, the Link also offers HDR, gesture control, and noise-canceling mics. It's not just a webcam, it's your personal mini camera crew in one compact device. Number 2. Insta360 One X2 360-degree waterproof action camera. Next up is the Insta360 One X2, a 360-degree waterproof action camera designed for creators on the go. With 5.7K resolution, flow state stabilization, and AI-powered editing, your shots always look cinematic. Its sleek touchscreen lets you control and preview with ease, even underwater. You can also live stream or use it as a webcam with amazing clarity. For travel, vlogging, or extreme sports, the One X2 makes every moment unforgettable. Number 3. Insta360 Flow 2 Pro AI Tracker. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro AI Tracker is like having your own smart cameraman. Powered by AI tracking, it keeps you perfectly framed during vlogs, live streams, or reels. Its stabilization makes handheld footage buttery smooth. And with gesture controls plus auto zoom, you stay in command without even touching it. Compact, powerful, and futuristic, this device redefines mobile videography. Number 4. Insta360 Connect. Upgrade your meetings with the Insta360 Connect, the ultimate 4K AI-powered conference room camera. Dual cameras, smart speaker tracking, and a 14-mic array ensure everyone stays visible and heard clearly even from 33 feet away. With built-in Android OS and support for Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, and WebEx, it's plug-and-play ready. Smart, seamless, and professional, this camera makes every meeting matter. Number 5. Insta360 X3. Finally, the Insta360 X3, the most advanced 360 action camera for 2025. With dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors, it captures stunning 5.7K 360-degree HDR video and crisp 72-megapixel photos. Perfect for biking, surfing, or vlogging, its 4K single lens and 60 FPS Me mode ensures you're always the star. Built tough and waterproof, it's made for adventure. Add AI editing and live streaming, and you've got a content creator's dream in your pocket. Thanks for watching TourPack. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel gear and tech updates. Which Insta360 camera would you take on your next journey? Tell us in the comments below.